Good morning, children. Let us begin our day with the thought for the day. Today's thought is, all the advice in the world will never help you until you help yourself. It means, unless and until you don't take steps for improvement, nothing can bring about the desired results. I hope you all agree with it. Coming back to our topic, our next chapter is senses alert. So you must have rightly guessed that it is related to sense organs, and this is the familiar chart you must have seen in first and second standard, showing you the importance of all these sense organs. Another chart, what eyes can do, what nose can do, what ears can do, what tongue can do, and what the skin can do. Now children, people talk about the 7 wonders of world. You are very well aware of the wonders of world, but don't you think that these gifts given by God are the most important or the most valuable wonders? With the help of eyes, we can see the world. This importance we realize when we happen to come across a person who is not able to see. At that time we realize what it means to have these two eyes. Smell. Imagine the time when we are suffering from cough and cold and we are not able to smell anything. The delicious food prepared by your mother you can't smell, and you can't recollect or you cannot recognize the proper, or you cannot feel the proper taste of the food. Hearing, very important thing. Just imagine a person who is not able to hear, how can he drive a vehicle? He will not be able to hear the horns or anything spoken to him, right? So take proper care of your ears, clean them regularly, don't use earphones unless you are attending Zoom meeting for that particular period. You can use, or if it is very urgent then only use that. Taste, important organ, otherwise we don't understand what are we eating, and the importance of touch. So I hope all are ready with the textbook. It is chapter number 24, senses alert. So the lesson tries to bring out the importance of our 5 sensory organs. These sensory organs help us to communicate with the people around us. We know the importance of all the sense organs, isn't it? So all living things, animals, birds, insects, plants, reptiles, they have got some kind of sense alert. So please turn to page number 60. Let us look at the first picture. What can you see? It shows a beautiful red rose. It looks bright and it seems to be freshly bloomed. Its fragrance is divine. The flower adds beauty to the garden. Second picture, the photograph shows a cute little squirrel. It is sitting on our window sill. It is sniffing at the foodstuff kept for it. It wants to sniff because unless it sniffs and it makes sure that the food is safe for her, it won't eat. Now, some of you might have got the opportunity to touch a squirrel. Just recollect the touch, close your eyes and recollect how it felt. It is very soft and furry, and the color, you can see it is light brown in color and having black strips on its back. The third picture, the picture of lemon. You can see picture of lemon, or I can say a slice of lemon, isn't it? It is looking very freshly cut. It is bright yellow in color. The taste, you can tell me, is it sweet? No. Is it salty? No, it's sour. And the lemon juice will make a refreshing limbu pani in summer. It is used to make delicious pickles. It contains vitamin C, and I know you all like to drink lemon sharbat, the sharbat that is prepared from lemon. The next picture, you can see, now it is more clear, right? You can see the photograph of a small girl. You can see the uniform and you can describe the color. It's red in color. She is carrying a blue school bag on her shoulders, and she is sitting on the bench and looking at her pose. We can just imagine and we can rightly guess that she is eagerly waiting for the person who is going to pick up her from school to home. It must be her rickshawala uncle or it must be her mother, and you can see her eagerness, isn't it? What can you see in the next picture? It is the photograph of a lantern hung on the ceiling, and the shades of blue with very nice geometrical design. You can see that, the geometrical design. So a lantern with shade of blue and wonderful geometrical designs on it, and the light is not very sharp, the light is very dim, making the design looking very beautiful. Next part of the lesson in the next video.